Hey guys, welcome back to a new program called Tay's Science Labs. So we are going to do some science experiments.
Yay.
I'm keen.
I'm excited.
These might be a bit of a longer run because you just got to set them up, but we can run through that when we get to it. So we're going to start off with
Volcano.
Volcano.
Always a classic.
It is. So we'll just yeet them to the side. Make sure safety, gloves, mask,
Lab coat if you got it.
lab coat. Thank you, Scouts.
Yes, thank you.
Alright,
Also, if you know it's going to be messy, have something down. Makes it easy to clean up later.
so we're going to have to make the volcano first. Cool.
Also, key tip, always follow the instructions.
Yes, because I'm bad at doing that, so that's why I've got Danica here.
Alright, so we got some little rocks. Good decoration, I'm assuming.
Baking soda.
Got
Yeah, volcano
mould,
mould. A plastic tube.
which is like the funnel for it, I'm assuming. And plaster.
Plaster.
Woohoo!
And that's it, and that's just the instructions.
Yep. Not suitable for children under 10. Good thing we're 12 to 25.
Exactly. Okay.
First things first, plaster in the tub.
Scissors.
Grab our scissors.
Be careful.
In it goes. Alright. Now add 350 milliliters of water and then we will mix it.
And then
So that is 200, so add another 150.
I'll start stirring it.
If you have excess liquid, I guess you just tip it out slowly. Not down a sink or drain though.
I'll stick in him. Once I get all the clumps out.
Yeah.
So once that is mixed,
Take the plastic mold, turn it upside down. Grab the tube. Put your tube in the bottom hole. And then you can pour the plaster mixture into the mold.
sure.
Can't get in there. And then just move it around the mold to get it to cover a few more spots. Get as much of it in there as you can.
Right. And now you let it dry. It dries pretty quick.
Yeah. Yeah, so put your mould somewhere safe so it can dry. It dries reasonably quick. And then, because we got a bit messy, change your gloves. Alright, so we're back and this is now dry. And now we're going to take this out of the mould.
First you're going to take the straw out.
So with your plaster, you got to let it dry for about an hour. Bang, alright. It's a little bit chipped, but that's alright.
Nothing perfect.
Alright, but otherwise, that sounds pretty good.
So what's next?
Tube, so we need to keep the tube in there.
Oh really?
All by the sound of it.
The tube stays in. Good habit.
Yeah, because it says Pour baking soda into the top of the Volcano. Pour the vinegar into the provided bottle. Insert the bottle top into the other end of the tube and squeeze the bottle hard to make sure the vinegar can flow to the top. So you're going to do it from underneath.
Right.
And the baking soda goes there. Alright, so we've got our tube in, we filled our little bottle that they've provided with vinegar, and we're just using white vinegar. If you have malt vinegar, that works too.
Sure does.
And we will put our little tiny decorative rocks in your top bit. You don't want to get any of the little rocks in the hole.
And the baking soda goes
on the top bit. Again, trying to avoid the tube. Just get it around it.
and if you want food coloring.
Alright, so we're now going to add just a very small amount of food colouring to make it easier and I don't spill it everywhere. I'll put a bit in the cap. And then from there we'll put it into the vinegar. And Tay will shake it up a little bit, get the colour mixed in there.
So now you got blue vinegar. Cue the dramatic music.
Very anticlimactic. And if it doesn't work with the tube, you can just pour it directly over it.
And if you want,
You can add more bicarb. That's a bit better.
ta-da!
Volcano.
Volcano. So yeah,
There's a volcano.
there's a volcano for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time on Tay's Science Lab.